Well, here's this machine that's clicking. I just checking this to make sure I don't hear no clicking, and I sure don't. The clicking was definitely coming from here. As you can see, the motor is from here all the way over here. And you know what? I thought I'd find something here that would be messed up, but no. Everything is running fine. I don't know, there's no broken teeth, there's nothing. Every single thing here looks absolutely fine. It happened while it was in neutral, so I put a neutral. This is the only thing that turns. I don't know, I don't know. Now I have to buy new gaskets and everything, and I really don't know what that clicking was. I'm gonna put it all back together, make sure it's immaculate, and I don't know. I hope for the best. There wasn't anything in here. I don't know. We'll put what we got together and see what happens. Unknown problem out.